Hi, Mr. Azlan, the landlord here on Friday, 3rd of July 2021, and the time is 27 minutes past 5, 17:27 hours, and I'm about to have a taste of my pesto, which is potato based. I steamed about 4 new potatoes for 20 minutes. I added pesto, what do you call it, sweet basil with the stalks, 5 cloves of garlic, and big dollop of mustard, some pepper, salt and garlic mix, and some mixed herbs mix, and I've put it on these 2 tomatoes. So I'm gonna give it a taste test now and let you know what it tastes like. Okay, I'm gonna try this one. It's lovely, doesn't it? Lovely green color. It's lovely. It's a little too runny. I should chicken it up. I think I'll add some pumpkin seeds and sunflower seeds and zap it up again, and we'll see how it goes. But besides, okay, I've got courgettes. I got 5 slices of courgettes being air fried, and when that's ready, I'm gonna try it with my courgettes. And I'm gonna thicken this up by adding some sunflower seeds. So we'll see how it goes in a while. Okay, bye. See you next time. Bye.